So just need the rice
to be checked in time.
Yeah, be careful. Be careful. Hold that pot. Hold that pot. Because he's gonna check off that.
That's how we did it at school.
How old were you in school?
Like 15.
15?
Yeah.
I feel like I did mosaics when I was like, I don't know, in elementary school. Ah!
And then we put it together. Mosaic.
Hard. More pressure?
More pressure.
More weight?
Like more. Yeah. And then, yeah.
I was born in Zimbabwe back in the 60s, and I now live in Sydney. I'm a visual artist here, and I do a lot of community mosaic work with groups such as churches, schools and councils in Sydney. And I was delighted to meet Ruth Makoro at church one Sunday, and so out of that has grown a friendship based on our mutual background. So the decision to create a work of mosaic art with people in Zimbabwe came about through Ruth's heart for youth. She connects youth from both ends of the affluence scale by taking these wonderful trips over to Zimbabwe, where the participants form lifelong friendships, and they get to see Zimbabwe not from a tourist perspective, but they actually get to walk in the shoes of the people that live there. So the foundation identified women from Dotito as a group to create the mosaic with, and 200 of these women registered for the workshop, but unfortunately we could only tutor 20 of them. Now, the women of Dotito live a very hard life. There's no hospital within a 100-kilometer radius. They don't have access to electricity or drinking water. They have to walk to collect their water. And in spite of that, they ended up blessing us. So we were sang into the workshop underneath the meeting tree. And when we finished creating our mosaic cross, which we did because it was Easter, they sang us out of the workshop. So apart from the beautiful mosaic art that you see here, there is actually a whole lot of joy and inspiration and rejoicing woven into the fabric of this artwork. Now, mosaic is particularly relevant to Zimbabwe. The reason being is that you take things that people just throw away or that the world devalues or doesn't value at all. You know, you take the kind of the brokenness of the world and you actually aggregate it, sort it, and you compose it into these beautiful artworks. So I'm sure you'll agree when you see the finished results in the video and how the day went, that the Dotito community now has something that they can really be proud of, and that I'm sure will inspire further beautiful artworks that they do as a group.
Mosaic!